friends, this is Rajesh Mishra. I'm back again with yet another cool tip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube video in picture mode in iOS 14 on your iPhone or iPad. With it, you can chat while watching a video, you can browse the web while watching a video. It's a pretty nice feature which I'm sure you would love to use. So let's see how it works. Now, before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any update from us. First off, launch Safari. After that, go to youtube.com. It is because currently YouTube app does not support picture mode on iPhone or iPad. That's why we have to take the help of Safari to play YouTube videos in the background. Okay, once you have found your favorite song, then play it, and after that tap on the full screen button and then swipe up. There you go. You have kick-started the PIP video. You can place it at the preferred corners. And it's worth noting that you can also adjust it using 2 fingers. It's a pretty nice feature, and I'm sure you would love to give it a shot. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.